Let's talk about the verbs borrow and lend. When you borrow something, you ask to use it or you take it from someone, usually for a short period of time, and then you return it when you're finished. Hey, can I borrow a pencil? Sure, here you go. We usually pair the verb borrow with the word from. So you borrow something from someone else. So I borrowed a pencil from Katie. When you lend someone something, you give them something for a short amount of time and they return it to you later. Note that we can also use the word loan here. Both are verbs. Shoot, I forgot my wallet. I don't have any money for dinner. Don't worry about it. I'll lend you some money. With lend and loan, we often use the word to. So you lend money to someone, or you lend, your jacket to someone, or you lend a pencil to someone. That is borrow and lend. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck out there.